Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed this video. Today I'm unboxing USB-C to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter sold directly by Apple for £9 in the UK. The USB-C to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter lets you connect devices that use a standard 3.5mm audio plug like headphones or speakers to your USB-C devices. The packaging is very small but made with the usual Apple attention to detail. We start from pulling the plastic tab at the back. What we have inside is neatly packaged adapter and some paperwork. Needless to say, the adapter works perfectly with my iPhone, and since this is USB-C, I would expect it to work with other smartphones such as Android phones and other devices with USB-C port. The only minus is inability to charge the device at the same time, and regarding the build, albeit you can feel that it is a quality product, it feels very fragile with the cable being extremely slim. I hope I won't break it easily. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching my channel Mike's Tech and Gadgets. Please like and subscribe if you've enjoyed this unboxing video.